So let's start with the S, the story. Now, sometimes called the situation by other sales trainers. It's all about asking questions. Tell me your story. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about your business. Tell me about why you have a vacancy. Tell me about the journey your business has been on. Tell me about your career. Get them to really talk to you. Get them to tell you their story. Now, obviously, you're the one starting the call. So if this is a cold call, you saying, tell me your story when they don't really know who you are or why they're on the phone isn't a good start. But once you've got through that open, you should be fine. Equally, though, if you've done your job and you follow the inbound sales training that we've delivered in Another HIIT, you've probably got a warm call on your hands here. So you could probably go straight into the S. But obviously, once you've done that open and you've ideally generated that warm call, you are now questioning the client, the candidate and colleague to tell you about themselves and about their story. We don't want problems just yet. We want them to guide you into that. By them telling you their story, you're getting them into the zone and you're giving them control of the phone call, which is absolutely critical to the spin method.